to be doing this. Wait a second. Just need to get out my flips. I got this all on my plate too. And today we're going to be busting out myths. I know I just said that, but one myth. Myth one. Hey puppy. Myth one. When you hold you can't breathe as well when you're upside down. Let's try out that myth. Okay, that definitely works. Okay, you can't do front flip on these bars like this. Because see, it's not letting me go forward. So you have to do it like this. Do a back one, and then do a front one like I did at the beginning. Okay? So, it's very hard. I'm getting distracted by my puppy digging. He's so cute.
Sky, what are you doing?
We're in Michigan, and it's warm out. It's perfect outside. Comment.
Sky, what are you doing?
Comment down. Yeah, comment down if you like my puppy. And subscribe and please hit the like because I need it for my puppy because he's been a little sad because if I get to 10 likes, if I get to 20 likes, I will start to play with my puppy more often. You want me to play with you often? Okay, I guess that's a yes. So, guess that's it for today. That was a really long video, but please play with my puppy because he's so cute. So, bye.